Hello, my name is Kayla Myers. Today I'm going to be giving a demonstration of the OnBase Mobile client for the iPad. You can access OnBase Mobile using an Android, iPhone, or iPad. In order to access OnBase Mobile, you would need to have a license for either the iPhone, iPad, or an Android device, and you would need to have a mobile broker and an application server installed in your environment. Once you log on to OnBase Mobile, the first screen you'll see is your document search. We can go ahead and hit our menu button in the left-hand side. And from there we have other options such as workflow, upload, or new form. So let's look at our document search first. The first thing we're going to do is search an AP invoice. We can type in any information we want and then hit the search button. And like you're used to, that would return a hit list of all the documents available in the system. You can click on the document to open it. From there, you can do a cross-reference. You could see any of the keywords associated with the document. Or you could add a new note to the document. When we're done looking at the document, we can hit done. We could then search for a different document or different criteria for the document. So let's go ahead back to our menu and select workflow. And then from there, we can see all the workflow life cycles and queues that we have access to. In order to make these queues and life cycles visible on the mobile client, there is a checkbox in Studio you would need to select. Let's go ahead and select our AP check request approval lifecycle and the check request approval queue. We currently have 2 documents in our queue, so we're going to select the first one on the list. And now we can see our AP check request form. You'll notice this is a Unity form that is being displayed. We can again hit our key at the top to look at any keywords on the document, scroll through. We can hit the multiple icon of a page here to see if there's any documents to cross-reference. Again, we have a note option if we want to add a note or see any current notes on the document. And then the last thing we have is this circle with a check mark in a box. So if we hit that, those would be our tasks that we have access to. So let's go ahead and approve this check request. Great, this has been approved. And now you'll see in our queue, we only have 1 document left. We can, of course, refresh this to update that one. And let's go ahead and look at our next menu option of upload. So upload allows you to upload any document into OnBase, again, with the documents that you have access to. So we could upload a non-PO invoice. And then from there, we would want to tap to add an image. So we're hitting our plus sign here. And then we're prompted with either doing a camera or something from the gallery. So of course the camera would activate the camera on the mobile device you're using, or the gallery, you could then select an image from your gallery on your device you're using. Okay, so if I hit the camera button, I have to allow OnBase access to my camera. And then you can just hold the item in front of the camera you want, or put the item down and hold your device over it, however you choose. And we can hit our button to take our picture. No, it's not the best, but just taking whatever is nearby here. And then we can hit done at the top. And you can see now we have our picture that we've taken. So we can take as many pictures as we want. I only did 1 today. Once I have that image available and I'm happy with it, I can hit index in the top right. And then I can provide all the keywords that I want to this document and hit submit. The document will now be uploaded into OnBase for us. Okay, upload complete. We're back to our upload screen, so we could add any additional documents we want. Let's go ahead and go back to our menu. And the last option on here is our new form. So these are the forms that we've made available on the iPad or on any mobile device for this organization. So you can identify any form that you would like to make available. So let's just do an HR employee file request and type in the name of the employee. checking a box that we agree with this, and then we hit submit. So very basic, but you can fill out any forms you want. So this is really important, you know, in the healthcare world, if you're doing any type of consent forms or anything like that, notice of privacy practice, those kind of items you can display on a mobile device, have the patient sign them, and then they could automatically upload into your EMR system. A lot of nice use case scenarios for mobile. If you have any type of workflows that need approval, of course, you can have your managers and above download the OnBase app on their mobile device, and then they can access workflow. There's some additional options that you can add to this menu if you choose. You can add custom queries and some of the other features in OnBase. It's just a matter of updating that web.config file to display what you want, or maybe you don't want them to be able to upload something because you don't want them to have access to the camera, or it's kind of all customizable like everything in OnBase is. So thank you so much for joining me, and have a great day.